Greetings, traders. If the weather where you are is anything like the weather here, then you'll have a bit of time and you can probably see that outside. Then you'll probably have a bit of time to just reflect on what's going on in your life. And I'm hoping that trading in general is bringing a smile to your face. And I know actually that because of the subject, which is trading, day trading, it maybe isn't bringing a smile to your face, but if you've still got the enthusiasm to make this work for you, then I'm here for you. And I'm hoping that this video is going to help. In this video, I'm going to talk in a bit more detail than normal about the mental aspects of trading and how to improve your mental aspects of trading. Now, the sort of things I think it'll help are, FOMO. That's a big thing in trading. People say they miss out on trades and they fear missing out, FOMO, on trades, and they can't stop themselves from taking trades as a result of that. And that is a strategy destroyer, a trading account destroyer. And the methodology for trading is that it has to be professional. Now, all professionals take some time to just take stock of what's going on in their business. And so I recommend that you do this on a regular basis. Just take stock of what actually is going on with your business. I'm not just talking about, are you making money? Because, you've got to make money at some point in time, otherwise you won't be doing this. So, but, when you get good at something, then the next stage is getting better. And then the next stage after that is getting really good and becoming professional and doing it for a living. And that's where I want you to get to. That's, my aim in doing these videos is to help you become a better trader and make a living from it, if that's what you want to do, or just make a bit of cash out of it for yourself. But you'll still not need to take it and treat it as a hobby. You need to treat it as a profession. And that's how you get better at things. So you're going to need to really take this seriously and be able to assess your trading performance and dissect your trading performance and your trades to see where you could get better. Could you get better at taking your losses, for example? Is there an earlier exit in your loss taking that would mean that you'd lose less money on your losing trades? Are you leaving trades on for too long? Are you, doing the cardinal sin of turning away from the screen or leaving the screen? You can't do that in day trading. And so, risk and reward. Is your reward significantly better than your risk? And it should be. If not, why not? And what can you do about it? Now, these sort of theories are all very good, but they rely upon you as an individual having a trading system that is consistent and that you follow religiously very, very well, so that you can have proper statistics. Because, you don't get a proper statistic if you're constantly taking different trades. If you're following different systems all the time, then it's impossible to improve, because you don't know which part of the system it is that you can improve yourself, which part is not working, which part is working for you. And I want you to be able to do that. So you have to have a system that works, and then you have to follow it by the letter. And if you can do that, this is the first thing. If you can do that, then you'll be making progress. And when you're making progress, then, I can sit at the screen and watch a perfectly good trade that I didn't take. I can watch price move in a direction that I thought it was going to move, but I didn't quite have all of the signals. They weren't quite all there. And that's not good enough. If they're not all there, the signals, then I don't take the trade. And I have no regrets if price goes in the direction that I thought it was going to, because this is not gambling. This is not guesswork. This is a form of programming. It's, looking at what the market does on a regular basis. And when it produces good risk and reward trades, or reward and risk trades, that will give you a probability. But if you take trades in different places under different circumstances all the time, then it's impossible to judge probability. It's impossible to improve. So that's what we've got to do. We've got to be able to document the statistics, look up the statistics, and see where you can improve. And so you have to take consistent trades. And if all the signals for a system are not there and you're taking a trade, then not only are you exposing yourself to potentially more risk than you had done previously and lower probability, you're ruining all of your statistics, which means that you can't work on them to improve. So I think we can agree that's not a good idea. So you have to be able to see the trades repeating again and again and again in the same way. And, in the videos that I've put on YouTube so far, I have shown you consistently systems and parts of my system, Ants Gold, that repeat again and again and again. I spent years and years, maybe 10 years, researching this system so that it produced a recognizable, followable, learnable system that allowed people to read price action and take opportunities in price action when they exist. And, that's gold. And it's only gold if you know the system, if you can trade the system, and if you always trade the same system. Got to always trade the same system. And that will overcome, it will help you to overcome all of the mental aspects that can affect trading performance. Taking random trades just doesn't cut it. And if you're not able to constantly improve, then eventually you're going to give up, because the human body and brain cannot withstand constantly having defeats and not knowing how to get better. And you won't know how to get better unless you do things consistently. And so that's my message for today. In the river of value system that I have, and with 10 years behind me of measuring this and having consistency in measuring this, you can be sure that it's something that I'm very proud of. So I'm wishing you all the best for your trading. I'm hoping that we can sit down now and do some figuring out of your statistics to say, where can we improve this? And if you can't because you've not taken consistent trades, that's your aim going forward. I'm really hoping that this is going to help you, and maybe it already has. And it'll certainly change your thinking if you're falling into some gaps, into some bad habits. So very best wishes to you with your trading and in your life. My name's Anthony Beardsall from Excellence Assured Trading Academy. I'll catch you on the next video. Do subscribe to the channel for more videos, more tips on the technical aspects of trading and also the mental aspects as well. They're my fortes, reading price charts, reading the mind. See you on the next video. Bye for now.